So how do you block the incognito mode on the iPhone? Let me show you how it works. If you're new here on this channel, consider subscribing because there are plenty of tutorials coming up and I don't want you to miss them. Anyways, what you're gonna do is to open up your settings of the iPhone and find the screen time section. And part of this, we can find a menu for content and privacy restrictions. So you can find it, go in there, make sure that you enable the restrictions, right? And there you can find the App Store, Media, Web, and Games. You get in there and you can check out the web content. And in here, if you by default have it sets you unrestricted, which is fine. But if you click on this limiting option, so when you click on a limit websites, then it just means that your phone will not even have the private mode enabled, right? So you can just, have it like that, make sure that it takes effect a little bit. And then when you open up the Safari web browser, you will not even have the ability to go to the private mode, right? So that's kind of how it works. And you will essentially just block the access to the incognito mode, right? As I say, it might take a little bit for the effect to take place, but that is how you can essentially do this to make sure that, it's like limited and it doesn't work in that fashion. So let me know in the comments below if you managed to do it on your device, if it worked out. Thanks a lot for watching. Hit the thumbs up for, so stay tuned for more tutorials and videos like this one. And I'll see you later. Thanks a lot. I'm going to talk to you in the upcoming tutorials as well.